Whenever you see a flag on a lawn and there's dandelions present, do not pick those dandelions. That means fertilizer has been applied. The dandelion is an overlooked edible weed packed with vitamin A and C. The young leaves on a dandelion plant is generally before the buds here. You can see the bud is not even bloomed. These are generally boiled for 5 to 10 minutes and eaten like spinach or added to a salad. The dandelion bud can be boiled for several minutes, add butter, margarine, season lightly, and serve. The bloom flower can be eaten raw. The flower can also be dipped in a batter and fried. The leaves in the flower are rich in vitamin A and C. So the flower buds can be used in soup, flower petals in rice. The flower petal can also be used to make tea. You can use the young leaves in a salad or in a soup. And after this clip, I'm going to demonstrate some of these uses. Now what we've done here is we've taken the flowers of the dandelion and rinsed them lightly. And I'm going to pick the blossom and put them in a globe to make a tea. This is a stainless steel mesh globe used for herbal teas, and we're going to use the dandelion blossom and the flower to do the very same thing. So here I am picking the blossom out of the dandelion flower and putting it in the globe. So note, as previously stated, this part of the dandelion is packed with vitamins A and C. Okay, we have the globe filled. It's a bit tedious preparing this, but the purpose is that the green part of the bud tends to be bitter and override the sweetness of the flower. So what you could do is go out, pick a dandelion and eat just the petals, the yellow petals, and taste the sweetness that I'm talking about. That's what you want in the essence of the dandelion honey tea. Here we have boiling water, and we're going to place the globe inside and allow this to boil. Now there are people who will pick just the flower bud, which is before the flower blooms. They will throw them in salad, eat it with salad, or they will boil them for a few minutes and add some butter and eat them that way. Another way is to throw them in some soup. And so throw them in some soup. And what I'm doing here is I'm showing you this soup in a frying pan because it's easier to visualize what I'm doing. So this is a chunky vegetable Cornish hen soup that I made, and I'm going to add the buds from dandelions in there. You got to remember now, these buds from dandelions are rich in vitamin A and C. Okay, the soup is at a gentle boil, and you can see that the dandelion buds, it kind of looks like okra a little bit in there. And we're going to let that cook for a few minutes. So we're going to let that cook for a few minutes. And look at that dandelion honey tea. Nice golden yellow. Here we have the Cornish hen chunky vegetable soup with the dandelion buds. And it also has rosemary herb in it for flavor and aroma. So you can see how chunky that is. What I might also do is at a future date, in accordance to the response of this video, is do a start to finish Cornish hen chunky vegetable soup with all the ingredients, or substitute the Cornish hen for a chicken instead, which is much cheaper and 4 times the meat.